Do you like toys?
Yeah.
What do you think of a toy subscription box?
Cool.
Are you excited to get your first toy subscription box?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm excited too, but hopefully he'll be just as excited after he finds out what's in it. I invited John on here. John has been looking for a good subscription box for him. Lila gets a bunch of different things and we haven't really found a good one for him. So when Toy Box Monthly contacted me and asked me if I wanted to do an unboxing of this, I kind of selfishly for my kids said yes. So this is gonna be an additional video onto the beauty videos. I do my beauty videos on Tuesday and Thursdays. This is just a bonus so that I could get a free box for my son so that we could decide whether this would be a good subscription for him. If you have kids or if you like toys, then you get a bonus unboxing on my channel, and my son is getting free toys, which is always a good thing for him, right?
Yep.
So
I like free toys.
let me tell you a little bit about this box before we open it. They do have a boys version and a girls version. Of course, gender is flexible, so you have to kind of think about your own child and decide what their preferences tend to be and which one you think will be best for your child no matter what your child's gender is. So you get 4 to 6 toys, and it's for ages 3 to 103 is what it says. When you click on the subscription, it says that it's $17 a month and you do have to cancel it or else it's recurring. And then you do have an option for every 3 months, and then that's $45 for the 3 months, and that's where they get the $15 price from, and that reoccurs every 3 months. So are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna use the scissors and I'm gonna open it, and then I'm just gonna hand it to you, and you're in charge now.
Okay.
Okay, you're 6, you are able to do this. Okay, there you go. What is it?
It's a bobblehead.
It's from the Avengers. It's a mystery mini.
Yeah, I've seen those before.
Where did you see them?
I've seen them from a bunch of different unboxing YouTube channels.
Cool. Well, it fell out.
It fell out.
Okay, what'd you get?
I don't actually know this guy. I don't know who this guy is. It doesn't say.
Well, we'll have to look him up, and I'll put a little annotation for us that says what his name is. It's just attached by a little spring, so if you pull his head real hard, his head will come off, and you probably won't be able to put it back on.
Boing, 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 boing.
So what do you think? Are you excited to have him?
Yeah.
Take the next thing out.
And I pulled out the same thing as before, but a little different.
Ooh, okay. So that one is what?
I don't know.
What does this word say?
Let me. Transformers. Okay. Okay, I know none of those characters.
Yeah, you're not as big into Transformers.
I do know like Optimus Prime.
Mm-hmm.
You know him.
Do you know the bad guy's name? I think it's Megatron.
Yeah, Megatron. I'm pretty sure it's Megatron.
My big brother would be disappointed in me that I don't know these things. That was his favorite.
That's definitely...
Do you know what his name is?
I just said it.
What is it?
I forgot.
Optimus Prime?
Yep. I'm not very big into this stuff, but I do... It's cool. This thing's hard to transform.
There you go. You got it. So it goes from the little guy, and then you can transform it so he turns into his truck there.
Yep. He turns into a Optimus Prime truck.
Is that fun to do?
Yeah, it is. I like this one.
Okay.
I like this one better than the other one because that one you can actually transform it, and the other one you can just like bobble around. Okay.
Let's see what's next.
Ooh. What is this?
Okay, wait, hold on. Let's see. It's Super Mario's Sticky Note Art Kit.
Ooh.
So let me go ahead and cut this open.
This seems like the coolest thing yet. It has this. It has.
Let's see. Oh, I see. Look, John.
I don't don't get it.
Okay, it says 8-bit art is a kit for creating amazing paper pixel art on any glass surface, poster boards, or on walls that are painted with flat paint. So you could put this on your wall. And what you do is you measure the wall and you mark it out, and then you put the pixels down and you end up making a Super Mario on your wall with the stickers.
That's cool.
What do you think? Do you think you'll do that?
Yeah, I might actually do that. I feel like there's definitely more than 2 things. Ooh,
wait, what is that? What does that say?
It's Imaginext Legos.
Series 7 includes 1 mystery figure and accessory.
Okay, I'm interested in this. Ooh.
What's that?
A pirate.
A pirate guy?
Yeah.
Let's see. Does it say what his name is? Okay, hold it up between our heads. See right here?
This is him with his cloak on. And this is him without his cloak on. I also got a little speary thing. And this is him completely assembled. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is it?
Oh.
Cool. Yes. It's called a tech deck, and it's for flipping. So I think I've seen these online, and you can do tricks with it.
Cool.
And it looks like you got one called Louie. That's the name of your uncle, and it's got a tiger on it. So very cool. We'll have to look up more about this and how it works.
Yeah.
All right, you ready for the last? Is it one more thing in there?
Let me see.
Oh, or that's it?
That's it.
Okay, so let us review, John. Remember, this costs $17, so you have to decide whether you think this is worth $17.
Okay, so we have a bobblehead, a transformer guy who can transform. We have a cool dude with a vest, and also it has a dragon on his leg.
Cool.
I never noticed that. And he has a vest. Pretty cool. And this, it's like a thing where we can make art on our wall. And we also have something that can do really cool tricks.
Very cool. That's it.
I think it's worth it.
You think it was worth $17? So is this something you think you would want Mommy to buy for you for future?
Yeah.
Is there anything in here you don't think you would play with that you're not interested in?
Anything that I don't think I would play with? I think I would give this to Lila.
So you think you would give this to your sister?
Yeah, I'll give that to Lila.
Because you're not as big into the artsy kinds of things.
Yeah.
But some kids might like that more than you do, right? Yeah. But other than that, everything else you really liked?
Yeah, I really like this bobblehead. It's like...
So I guess you just kind of have to think about your own kid. This was the one targeted for boys, but you have to think about your own kid and what your own kid likes. I know my nieces really love stuff like this, so deciding on what's best for your own kid I think is going to be important. I do think that we are going to invest in another month and see how it goes, and then if he continues to like it, maybe we'll do a 3-month subscription. I don't want to continue boxes like this on the channel just because it's not makeup related, but I think it's fun to do these every once in a while, to do something a little bit different on the channel just for fun. So thank you, John, for being in the video with me.
You're welcome.
And thank you so much to Toy Box Monthly for sending this. I will put all of their information down below. This is not a sponsored video, and I don't benefit from your sign-ups. If you choose to sign up, there's no discount code or anything like that. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave John a nice comment down below. And mad love to you. You want to say it with me?
No, I want to tell them something.
Okay, tell them something.
Make sure to check out me and Lila's channel.
The Sibling Gamers.
Yeah.
Right.
Search up Lila and John, and the Sibling Gamers will come up, and click on that, and then you'll find our channel. We don't have very many videos because our mom has to do a bunch of editing for her channel. So we don't have many videos.
But Mommy's starting a vlog channel, so I'm hoping you'll be able to be on my channel a little bit more on that channel, on the vlog channel.
And then people will subscribe to our channel with barely any videos on it.
Well, we'll have to work on that.
Yeah.
YouTube channels take a lot of work, man.
I know.
All right. Mad love, my friends. I will see you in a video very, very soon. You say bye?
Bye.
Bye.